Hi, I'm Isabella Martin and I'm here on my second lesson today with Andre. We are doing a beauty and Instagram shoot for Barbara Bingham. She wants some new headshots and shots for her Instagram. So we're starting off with a really simple soft light for a clean beauty shot. We're going to move upstairs to the daylight studio and do a more moody business corporate kind of shot, and then out onto the rooftop to do a fun outdoor shot with a golf club.
When the client comes to the studio, it's important that you have a quick coffee with them, have a chat, get them in the set and do a bit of a warm-up shoot. Just see which way you can get them to relax.
So I'm trying to build my kit, but in the meantime, Andre's lent me this Canon camera. It's a 5D Mark IV. For the downstairs portraits, we're going to be using the 70 to 200mm lens. The reason I chose this diffuser is to create a softer, more subtle daylight look.